Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video of Freedom of Tea. So today's video was about preparing a butterfly using paper. I saw this paper craft in my friend's status. His name is Kamish. He's actually an artist. I saw his status and asked him, "Can you make a video for me so that I can also do this?" Usually, when I see this paper craft, I find it very difficult to understand. Like, I always mess up. I could never make it. So so that's why I asked him to make a video. So he was generous. Thank you, Kamesh, for making that video. But even though he sent me a video, I find it very difficult to do this, to follow up. I mean, it was a very easy video which everyone can understand, but for me, since it's difficult to do paper craft, I find it difficult. So I did some trial and error, made some mistakes, and then finally I was able to make paper butterflies. So I'm doing it again and I'm showing you how to do that. So let's watch the video.
So to do this, we need a paper, a scissor, and glue. This is optional. So let's start making butterfly. So I'm using a paper bag. I put the paper from a paper bag, and then make it in a square, and then fold it to the center from one side, and do it to the other side as well. So make sure you are not leaving any space in between, and use your finger to make it a firm folding. And then you fold again to the um, edges, cross edges diagonally. So do it in to the all the four sides. So yeah. So make sure that it's in the right place, and then fold it to the center. So make sure when you fold along the lines you made by marking by folding before, and also make sure that there is a pyramid. I mean, this triangle has the straight middle center. It's not coming as a square again. So like how I showed you in this video. If you didn't fold from the right corner, it may go like, you should not have a triangle shape in the bottom. So base should be straight. So make sure that you are having that. So yeah, you could see that there's a triangle on the one side, so have the triangle on the other side as well, and then fold it together. So now what you have to do is fold it to the center again, and then make a curve with the edge. So to do that, while doing that, make sure that you're cutting from the opening side. I mean, to the bottom base, on the corner you make a curvy cut using your scissors. So you can see that there's a nice curve here. It could, maybe you can bend a little more if you want. So then you open the fold, and then fold the edges from one side to the top like this. On the on one side you do that, make the folding firm, and then you can see there's a back side of this. So from there you can fold it down like this and bring it to the front, uh, to the bottom side, and there should be an extra few inches, a few centimeters, where you can see a triangle there. So once you have that, you fold the excess, which you can see outside, to what you see. So yeah, once you do that, press it firmly from the side. So you can see that now it's a butterfly. So yeah, since my paper is a bit thick, it is actually kind of coming out. It's not sticking there, staying in the place. So I'm using a glue. If you use an A4 size paper, the thickness of the paper will be proper, appropriate, and it will stay in place. So yeah. I have a few more with me. I was trying to practice and make one better. So yeah, this is the first one I made. It came out as a face. Now it's time to decorate using it. I stick to the wall like this. You can try.
So I hope it was an easy video from my side. If not, I'll be sharing Kamesh's video with his permission later on. Um, I think all of you like this video, especially kids. When you do this, please do it only with your parents' presence and their permission, because I'm not responsible for your cut hand and blood. Okay, so that was it from for today. So until we meet again, as I say always, please stay happy. Do the things that makes you happy. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and please also share this video to other people which you know who might be interested in watching this kind of videos. And also subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. So until we meet again, take care. Bye.